Good morning. I was just woken up by this weather. And it's so nice. But what has happened, I had put the packraft under the tarp and then water was running into my bed. So actually I have a wet sleeping bag. I think this is actually nice. I like this part. I mean, I always like the weather. I like when I feel the elements. That's kind of nice. And then you can hear the rain and everything. I have to say I'm a bit embarrassed about having a wet sleeping bag. Yeah, that's yeah, long time no see. Yeah, that's quite a nice rain here. Very interesting. To be continued.